Okay, next one is ICN Gateway. ICN Gateway is tendering and registering interest into larger projects that are basically being delivered by primes. So how you get into this is you have to register so you can log in. You don't necessarily have to buy a membership. If you don't buy the membership, you can just do it the slow way. So I'll teach you how to do it the slow way. We'll just scroll down. So I always go to Defence and Space to identify a project of interest. So we'll click on that. We'll try and find an infrastructure project. Keep going down. Okay, not all these projects, more results. Go to the next page. Okay, so we found an infrastructure project which is US Forces Posture Initiative, Northern Territory Training Area and Ranges. So what we do is we click on the View Project and we can read and identify what type of project this is. So it's run by a company called Sitzler, who are the managing contractor for a $711 million contract of shooting ranges and training areas up in Northern Territory. Some overall upgrade roads, provision new services, infrastructure, new hard stands, etc. Project status, project documents, industry briefing, which has been and gone, but we'll click on to see what the work packages are. Okay, so as you can see, let's just say that we're a civil contractor and we want to look at the primary and secondary roads. We download the docs, click onto them, read them, and then it's now closed, but we would submit the docs for that project. Here's another one here, Roads and Civil Works Infrastructure Tranche 2. You would download the scope docs, create the EOI, and then you complete the questionnaire. And then you just press yes, you download your questions and upload, download your project examples and upload, and then you submit or you save for later if you're not complete and you need more information. So then you're on an ITR or EOI shortlist with Sitzler. If you're shortlisted, they will generally email you, but you obviously have to have an account with all your contact details on it. And then they will do an evaluation to see if you're relevant. For ICN, they love locals. So if you're a civil contractor based out of Melbourne and you're bidding a job in Darwin, if there is competition and they're local, it'll be very difficult to beat the locals because especially the Commonwealth projects have got a big evaluation criteria on locals. Unless you're unique and you're the only contractor who can do a project in the Northern Territory for that scope nationally, and you've got no competitors in the Northern Territory. So that's really a high-level overview of ICN Gateway. If you've got any questions, and there are help applications you can send, and the ICN people are quite helpful if you give them a call. But the key is set up an account. You don't have to pay for it, but it takes a little bit longer to identify the projects.